In today's video, we're counting down the top 5 best RC cars of 2026, from high-speed off-road monsters to powerful drift machines built for ultimate control and fun. Whether you're a beginner or a serious RC enthusiast, these top picks bring speed, durability, and insane performance right to your fingertips. Backhand index pointing right, get ready to explore the most exciting RC cars of the year. Let's jump right in. Number 5. The ZLL SG204 Pro is a high-speed 124-scale RC drift and off-road car designed for kids and beginners who want a mix of speed, drifting, and simple off-road fun. It uses a 2.4 GHz remote system and 4WD drivetrain, giving stable control and smooth handling on different surfaces. Wrench key features: 124-scale compact design. Small size makes it perfect for indoor driving and smooth outdoor surfaces. 4WD, four-wheel drive system. Improves traction and stability, helping the car drift and climb light obstacles more easily. Speed up to 20 km per hour. Decent speed for a mini RC car, suitable for beginners and kids. 2.4 GHz remote control system. Stable signal with no interference, allowing multiple cars to run at the same time. Drift and off-road capability. Comes with drift-style tires and supports fast turning and controlled sliding. LED lights, front and rear. Adds realistic look and better visibility during night driving. Number 4. The KF 21 Hours 64 Minutes RC Drift Car is an ultra-compact desktop racing toy designed for precision drifting on smooth indoor surfaces like desks, floors, or mini-tracks. It focuses on full proportional control, 4WD traction, and realistic drift behavior in a very small scale. Wrench key features: 1 hours 64 minutes ultra mini scale design. Tiny size makes it perfect for desktop racing and indoor drift challenges. 4WD drive system. Improves stability and helps maintain controlled drifting on smooth surfaces. Full proportional control. Allows smooth throttle and steering adjustment, not just simple forward/back movement. 2.4 GHz remote control system. Stable signal with low interference, so multiple cars can race together. Built-in LED lights. Front and rear lights for realistic night driving effect. Rechargeable battery, USB/Type-C depending on version. Typically gives around 15 to 20 minutes runtime per charge. Number 3. The 1 hour 64 minutes mini RC drift car is an ultra-compact desktop racing toy designed for indoor drifting, table racing, and beginner RC fun. It is similar to popular mini models like the KF20 series, focusing on 4WD drift control, proportional steering, and LED lighting effects. Wrench key features: 1 hours 64 minutes full-scale mini design. Extremely small size, perfect for desk, table, and indoor tracks. 4WD drive system. Improves stability and allows controlled drifting on smooth surfaces. 2.4 GHz remote control. Stable signal with anti-interference, allowing multiple cars to race together. High-speed mini motor. Provides fast movement for short-distance racing and drift slides. LED light system. Front and rear lights for realistic night driving effect. Rechargeable battery. Typically offers around 15 to 20 minutes runtime per charge depending on version. Number 2. The RTR Mustang 114 Drift RC car is a ready-to-run, RTR, 4WD remote control racing car designed for beginner drift and high-speed fun. It features a sporty Mustang-style body, strong four-wheel drive system, and stable 2.4 GHz control for smooth driving indoors and outdoors. Wrench key features: 114-scale larger body. Bigger than mini RC cars, giving better stability and realistic driving feel. 4WD drive system. Provides strong grip, stable drifting, and better control on corners. 2.4 GHz remote control. Anti-interference system allows multiple cars racing at the same time. High-speed performance. Typically reaches around 20 to 25 km per hour, depending on battery and surface. RTR, ready to run, setup. Comes pre-assembled with battery and controller, no building required. LED lights, on some versions. Adds realistic look for night driving. Number 1. The Rastar 114 Porsche 911 GT2 RS Clubsport 25 is a licensed-scale model RC car designed for kids and beginners who want realistic supercar styling with simple remote control driving. Wrench key features. 114 scale detailed model. Large, realistic body with accurate Porsche 911 GT2 RS Clubsport 25 design. 2.4 GHz remote control system. Stable signal allows smooth driving and multiple cars racing together. 4.8 V 600 mAh rechargeable battery. Provides decent runtime for casual play and indoor driving. Full function control. Forward, backward, left, right movement with easy button-style controls. LED front and rear lights. Adds realistic lighting effects during driving. Ready to run, RTR. Comes pre-assembled. Just charge and play.